Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video we are going to test out Pretty Vulgar makeup. Pretty Vulgar makeup is sold at Sephora. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. I primed my lids, so let's get started by going to an eyeshadow palette called Nightingale. This is how the packaging look like, and then when you open it, it's like a bird cage and it has all these cool toned colors. And if you guys want to know how much is this costs $35 at Sephora. These are the swatches. They are so pigmented. I'm taking Hide and Seek as the base, this taupey shade right here. Put a crease in all over my lid. For the outer corner of my eye, I'm going with this shade right here. It's a dark gray. It is called After Midnight, this dark gray shade. Zoom closer. These shadows are so pigmented, so you like definitely have to come in with a light hand. So I gotta blend this out because you see how much came out. So next I am going to take this I Spy shade right here. That's how it looks like. And it's gonna go on the inner corner of my eyelid and out. It's gonna look so pretty with this dark gray shadow that I did in the outer corner. Yes, so it's right here in the corner. And you see how pigmented it is. I don't even have to spray the brush, but if I want to, I will. So I'm gonna pack it up some more. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out by spraying the brush. And going back to this eye spot shade right here. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this crease brush and going to use this taupey shade. Again, it's called Hide and Seek. I'm just going to go on the crease. So like I created like a smoky look for the fall with a brown in the corner and whatnot. So I'm gonna see if I could do my brow bone. So I'm gonna take this shade right here that is called Pillow Fight, and it's gonna go on my brow bone. Now for eyeliner, I have this eyeliner pot by Pretty Vulgar. It is so cute, right? With a feather. It's a little jar and it's a black shade. And then it says Pretty Vulgar on top. When you open it, a black gel. It's so pretty. And it has a feather. Doesn't this remind you of the British Charms, where the British used to use a feather and dip it in ink? So this is so unique. This is so pretty, and I never seen this like this. So gorgeous, and I can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna use my Essence eyeliner brush that only costs $2. You get it at Ulta or Essence website. Absolutely love it so much. And to start it off, I added some tape so you can do a line, because I'm gonna try to do a wing line. I could never do it. You know how many times I practiced this, but I'm gonna try with tape. Now for blush is this Pretty Vulgar blush. It looks like a antique picture frame. So cute, right? And this one is in the shade Hush Blush, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. This is it, the blush, and then I'm gonna swatch it. And this is obviously a powder blush. So pretty. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it is just right, the average color blush. Love it. So I'm gonna try this out and see how well it will look on me. So oh, it is very pigmented. Definitely have to come in light-handed. Actually, everything is pigmented. The eyeshadow, the eyeliner, and now the blush is pigmented too. So definitely, like, just tap one and then a lot comes on the brush. See how much comes. So I'm gonna switch brush and see if I can find like a smaller blush brush, like not small, but the brush said it would have to be smaller. So got it. Lastly, for the lips, I have the Pretty Vulgar liquid lipstick. Look at the packaging. It's glass packaging. Oh my god, so pretty. And this one is in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. So I'm gonna swatch it now. Look at this. Oh my god, I love the sparkle in this liquid lipstick. It is so pretty. Woo. So I'm going to try it right now. So beautiful. And the thing about this liquid lipstick, it is not sticky. No sticky whatsoever. And it's not drying on the lips. It's very hydrating. It has a lot of moisture in it because I feel the buttery feeling on my lips. So this liquid lipstick must have like oils in it, which is great. I feel that all liquid lipsticks should have oils, and when they don't have the oils, your lips get dry and it gets very sticky. So I love it. Okay, so I'm going back to the Nightingale palette, and I'm gonna do my waterline with the same shades that I use my lid. I'm gonna start with After Midnight, this Hide and Seek, and I Inspire. So After Midnight, Hide and Seek, and this taupey eyeshadow. All gonna be here, same shades. And then the last one I said was I Spy. So I'm gonna do that right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of all the products from Pretty Vulgar. If you want more more testing out videos. Like if you want me to do like Flower Beauty, I haven't tried Flower Beauty before. Flower Beauty brand is by Drew Barrymore from E.T. I don't know if you guys remember that, but you guys should remember that. But if you guys want me to do a full face Flower Beauty, I'll be more than happy to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And all the products that I mentioned today will be in the description box below. And new videos will be up Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.